Today's topic is matrices. Before starting the matrices, I will give you the brief introduction of matrices. So, in general, a matrix is a bracket containing an array of numbers or letters arranged in rows and columns. Each number or letter is called an element of matrix. Matrices are usually denoted by bold capital letters such as A, B, C, etc. So, order of matrices is written as number of rows multiplied by number of column. These are rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are column 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. Now I will tell you what are row matrices or matrix. Matrix. A number having only one row with two or more columns. For example, 1 and 4 is the row matrix of order 1 multiplied by 2. 1 row and 2 column. And second example is this one. 2 minus 5 and 8. So is a row matrix and order is this 1 multiplied by 3. 1 row and 3 column. 2 minus 5 and 8 are in column and this is 1 row, and here is only 1 row 2 column. Here is 1 row and 3 column. Now column matrix. A matrix having only one column with two or more rows. For example, 8 and 11 is a column matrix, one column and two rows. So order is 2 multiplied by 1, 2 rows and 1 column. And here is I am giving you second example, 11 7 minus 3. Now order of this column matrix is 3 rows and 1 column. So order will be 3 multiplied by 1. Here is 2 rows and 1 column. Here is 3 rows and 1 column. Order is 2 multiplied by 1 and here is 3 multiplied by 1. These are called columns matrix and these are called row matrix.